All right, guys, welcome to tonight's presentation, our Wealth Generators presentation. I appreciate everybody hopping on. We have people literally hopping on from all around the country. I'm going to be your host and speaker for tonight. My name is Justin J. Will Wilson. For those of you guys that don't know me, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my story real quick, okay? So again, thanks for taking time out of your day and hopping on. I have actually a military background. I'm 28 years old. I'm pretty young. I've been all around the world. I've been shot at. I've been shot down. I've been chased around by bad guys. It was literally crazy background. Great experience. Used to jump out of planes for a living. I think one day, though, to be honest, I just woke up and I said, okay, I'm getting shot at for a living for $30,000 a year. I should probably be making more money than 30 grand. You know what I mean? So I decided to get out of that. I did what my parents told me to do. You know, I went and got went to college. I was a finance major. I went and got a good corporate job. I started working for a corporate company, and it was awesome, man. I was making great money. By the time I was probably about 25 years old, I was making over 120 grand a year. And at that time, 25 years old, I had the cars, the boat, the house, I had everything else. The problem is I didn't have a life. Like most of you guys, you know how it is. The only way to make more money is you have to work a ton of hours. And if you're working a ton of hours, then you don't really have a life. You know what I mean? You're pretty much living to work instead of working to live. And that was me, man. I found myself, I've been married for the last 10 years and I had a daughter on the way. And I was like, man, if I don't have time now, I'm never going to have time. And if I keep doing what I've always done, I'm going to get what I've always got. You know what I mean? If nothing changes, nothing changes. So I was like, all right, I got to do something. I got to do something different. So I kept my options open, and luckily, I was very blessed to be introduced to some top earners in the network marketing industry. I had never even heard of network marketing before. I thought it was like, something that had to do with computers or something like that. And I had never heard of it before, and so luckily, I got in the industry, and I met some phenomenal leaders that didn't hype me up. They didn't sugarcoat anything. They didn't tell me I was going to get rich overnight. They just said, Justin, look. If you pay attention and if you do what I do and you say what I say, you're going to have what I have. It's going to take work and it's going to take consistency. But if you're willing to put in those things, then I can show you how to make an extra, $500 to $1,000 a month part-time residual income. When he said part-time, he was talking about, working an hour a day. And he said, if you're serious, and you focus and you do what I do and you say what I say for long enough, you're going to make a six-figure income within the next 3 to 5 years. And I said, man, that sounds awesome. I was making great income like that already, but I definitely wasn't working an hour a day. You know what I mean? I was working like 70 hours a week. So I said, you know what? I'm willing to do it. I'm willing to take the time out. So I got started. And this was about a year and a half ago. I got started in my network marketing career. In the beginning, I started making some part-time income. I started supplementing my income. I made an extra $500 a month. That was awesome because it allowed me to not have to work as many hours, and I was able to pay the car payment, pay the vacation, pay some debt off a little bit faster, stack away some money for later on. You know what I mean? If you think about it, $500 does a lot. It allows you to do a lot in investments. It allows you to do a lot if you're really, obviously compounding that income. So within about a couple of months, I was making about a 5-figure income, and then within about 10 months of being in network marketing, I was able to make a 6-figure income. I retired my wife at the age of 28 years old, and I retired myself at the age of 28. And I've never worked a job since. And, I was able to literally raise my daughter from 0 to 15 months now. And she's never been without her dad, never been without her mom. We've never missed anything. And I'm so thankful for that, and for this industry. It's been amazing, man. And so now, I was very blessed to be introduced to this ground floor opportunity, and we're literally changing people's lives on a daily basis, guys. And so with that being said, that's my story, and I'm going to dive right into the information tonight. So get ready, put your track shoes on. I'm going to run through this pretty quickly. Our company is called Wealth Generators, guys, okay? And one thing that they want people to understand, okay, the main focus of the company is to teach people how to get money to work for you. Understand that 95% of people out there work for money, okay? They trade time for money. Now, what's more valuable? Obviously, time. So why is everybody trading their time for money? Why not get your money to work for you? And that's because most people realize that they don't know how to do that. They have no clue how to get money to work for them. Okay. And so one thing that happened is these guys by the name of Ryan and Chad, okay, they are experts in the financial industry. Okay, they're experts in the financial industry, and they are the founders of Wealth Generators. All right, they're very, very experienced traders, guys. They've been trading literally for over 20 years. Okay, that's 40 years of experience between the two of them, successfully trading in the financial markets. All right, they literally been trading since back in the day when your grandpa used to go to the trading firm. You remember when you used to have to go to the trading brokerage firms, and you have to write on a pink piece of paper, hey, I want to trade Microsoft stock, so here's my pink piece of paper, and here's how much I want. They've been trading since way back then. They've opened and been successful in multiple stock brokerage firms. They've even created multiple national trading companies. One of those companies, they grew it to over $300 million, and they sold it. It was publicly traded. They sold it to the Robert Kiyosaki Rich Dad Poor Dad company. And that is still branded today under a different name. And so whenever you see Rich Dad seminars or Robert Kiyosaki seminars and they're teaching people about investing, guys, they are using Chad and Ryan's strategies on how to train people. So literally, these are gentlemen that are very experienced. They're experienced traders. They're experienced in teaching people how to trade. Here's the one thing they found is the problem, though. Okay, in all their experience, they realized this: you cannot teach people to trade their own money. And here's why. People are very emotional creatures. Okay, we're 80% emotional, 20% logical. That's why we want to run out and buy the first thing that's on sale. Okay, even if you don't need it. You know what I mean? You guys see those hundreds of people that are this coming Friday after Thanksgiving, they're going to be literally bombarding the places like Walmart and all over the place. You know what I mean? I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be one of them, man. I like to go out there and I like to shop. You know what I mean? I like to fight people for the Tickle Me Elmo, but I just think it's fun, not because I need the stuff. All right. But understand, guys, people are emotional. Okay. And so you can't teach people how to trade their own money. So what they did was these guys came out with a market concept where they teach people how to get money to work for them, and they teach people how to do mirror trading. Okay, so not only do they teach people how to day trade, they teach, train, and coach. And by the way, guys, if you've never had somebody teach you how to day trade, it literally costs thousands of dollars. Okay, I used to day trade amateurly, and to get a professional to teach me, to coach me, and mentor me, it would cost thousands upon thousands, because they teach you how to get amazing returns for your money. All right. So what these guys have created is they created a system in Wealth Generators. It's a 1-2-3 system. Okay. First, you're going to follow their wealth system, prosperity system. Second is you're going to prosper and you're going to let your money work for you. Okay. And third, you're going to share your success story with other people. And that way you can be compensated by the company. All right. And I'm going to dive into a little bit of how that works. Okay. Number one, you're going to follow the system. You're going to follow the system of, we have literally multiple market experts with over 40 years of experience and have developed 6 different strategies on trading online. Okay, 6 different strategies on day trading and swing trading online. They do the research, they manage the strategies, and they take care of everything for you. Okay, and they send you trade alerts that lets you enter a trade. It gives you updated information while you're in the trade, whether it be a couple of days or a couple of weeks, however long you're in the trade. And then they give you a strategy to exit the trade. Guys, understand what that is. They're literally, not only are they teaching you about how to day trade, they're literally coaching you, mentoring you, and they're giving you the answers. These guys have been trading for the last 40 years, producing successful returns. That's like saying, imagine you wanted to play basketball and you have Michael Jordan as the coach. And Jordan is teaching you how to dribble, how to pass, how to shoot, how to do layups, how to do everything, all the fundamentals, right? But just because he teaches you doesn't mean you're going to be Mike, right? So imagine if Mike taught you, you were playing a game, and then midway through the game, you were like, you know what, hold up, Mike, here's the ball. Go ahead and shoot this jumper, brother. Let me get the points. That's exactly what these guys set up for you. They literally get you in the trade, they give you the updates, and they get you out of the trade. So they literally provide all the experience right there on a silver platter for you. So for those of you guys that don't have, maybe you don't have time, maybe you don't even want to learn how day trading works, you just want to be able to get the returns that these guys are getting. Well, literally, this is the first opportunity. All right, there's a first network marketing opportunity out there where they literally put it on a silver platter for you. And it's very simple, guys. It's color coded. Green means you want the stock to go up. I get these alerts on my phone. Okay, I get them every day. When I get a green alert in my phone, it means I want the stock to go up. When I get a red alert, it means I want the stock to go down. It's a bear market. When I get a yellow alert, it means it's a sideways trade. It's a neutral trade. And we still make money on sideways trades. And then when I get a blue alert, they're just giving me information about what's going on. They send me all the pie graphs. They break down down all the information. They send me the charts on what they're doing, why they're doing it, so that way I can understand, so that within a little bit of time, I'll be able to day trade and I'll be able to trade and produce the results that these guys do. But while I'm learning, I'm earning because they're giving me the trades that they're putting in every single day. And this is what one of the trade, for those of you guys who are online right now, this is what one of the trade screens looks like. It's very simple. They send this to you. They tell you to follow 1, 2, 3. If you can follow a 1, 2, 3 process, if you can copy and paste, guys, you can make money doing what we do. Okay. If you can copy and paste, you can make money with the product that we have. All right. Understand the company offers 2 different strategies. They offer a monthly 3-pack and they offer a weekly 3-pack. What's the difference between the two? Okay, very, very simple. We trade on blue chip stocks, guys. We don't trade nakedly. We don't trade on Forex, and we don't trade futures. Okay, we trade on blue chip stocks. We trade on the S&P 500, and we trade options. Okay, very viable stocks. We don't trade on volatile markets. Also, the company never has you trade more than 10% of your capital, which means you'll never wake up and be like, damn, one day my money's all gone. Okay, that's never going to happen for you. With the 2 different packs, this is the difference. Maybe if you want to trade monthly, maybe you're somebody that has, $500 or you don't want to trade as much money. Maybe you've never traded before, and maybe you don't have a lot of time. 1 hour a month would be great for you. That's the monthly 3-pack. You'll be able to trade 3 times a month. If you want to trade the weeklies, that's somebody maybe a little bit more experienced. Maybe you want to make a little bit more return on your investment. Maybe you have a little bit more time. You want to invest a little bit more money, maybe $1,000 or more. Okay. And you want to be able to trade 3 times a week. That's for you. All right. Both of those strategies are $99. You can decide if you want to do either one. It's up to you. You can do both if you want to. But I decided to go with the weeklies. I wanted to get a little bit more return on my investment. So that's what I go with. Guys, these are how confident these guys are in their strategies. Okay. They have over 40 years of experience producing successful returns on their investment. All right. The stock market's been around for over 200 years. This is nothing new, guys. Understand, this is nothing new. Okay. This is how confident they are in their returns that they've been producing. All right. Over the last 2 years, they've produced very, very strong returns. And they're so confident in that they're willing to have you pay for your subscription for these strategies. Okay. It's $100 a month. So if you pay 6 months worth of subscriptions, all right, and you don't make a return on your investment, you don't make a profit, they will triple your strategy investment back to you. That is a money back guarantee. I've never heard of that from anybody in the industry, from in network marketing. I've never heard of that. And anybody in the stock market industry, somebody will triple back my brokerage costs if I don't make money. Guys, that's how confident they are. That means if you spend $600 over the period of 6 months, they're going to triple that. They're going to pay you $1,800. These are people that are putting money where their mouth is, guys. All right. Now, for those of you guys that are online, you're able to see what I'm talking about here. For those of you guys that are on the phone, I'll break down the numbers. What is the returns they've been getting, right? What is that? What they're getting, guys? Okay. Documentation beats conversation all day long. These guys have a track record, documented, SEC regulated, that over the last 6 months in the monthlies, they've been doing 158% return on your investment. In 1 year, they did 570%. In 18 months, they did 600%. That's as of July 2014. Okay. The weeklies have done 400% in 6 months. Okay. They've done 675%. All right. In 1 year. And in 18 months, they've done 1,160% in the weeklies. This is as of July, guys. Check this out. This is incredible. I thought, you know what? Maybe they just did really great in the last few months. Let me see something that's more updated. So I had these guys send me September's documentation. Check this out, guys. The monthlies in 6 months have done 340%. The year has done 800% returns. That's 8 times your money in 1 year, 12 months. All right. In 18 months, they've done 860%. The weeklies have done 472%. That is almost 5 times your money in 6 months. The year has done 700%. And as of 18 months, they've done 1,266%. Guys, that's as of September 2014. So what does that mean? That means if you would have invested 18 months ago, if you would have invested $2,000 in the monthlies, guys, you'd be seeing a $13,000 return on your investment. If you would have invested $2,000 in the weekly strategies, following their strategies, you would have made $23,000 in your return on your investment, guys. Understand, you're not investing money with wealth generators. That's not what I'm telling you that you're doing. What you are doing is you're following their strategies. So what you're able to do now is you're able to go and open a brokerage account. Okay, you're able to open a brokerage account with any major brokerage firm out there. You can go to E-Trade, you can go to Trade Monster, you can go to Ameritrade or Scottrade, anybody you want to. That's where your money's going to be, okay? And you're just following wealth generator strategies, all right? Clearly, they have an amazing track record for what they're doing. Now, most people out there, guys, most people are scared to be in the stock market. That scares a lot of people. It did me in the first. I'm going to be honest. It scared me in the beginning. But here's what's awesome. When you open a brokerage account, they allow you to trade $100,000 of paper trading. That's virtual money, guys. That's money that you can't lose. Okay, so what you're able to do is you're able to trade this fake money following the wealth generator strategies as long as you want to. You can do it for a day, you can do it for a week, for a month, for a year, however long you want, till you feel comfortable, till you see the returns on that fake money's investment, really until you get sick and tired of watching fake money make money and you want to start making money with your real money. All right. So understand there's literally no risk when you're trading with fake money to see the returns, so that way you feel comfortable in making money. Guys, that's our product, okay? We have a phenomenal product. It is the only product in the network marketing industry that I know of where you can literally make money by using the product. We're not selling lotions or potions or bug juice or vitamins and anything under the sun. I know guys out there that sell $1,000 vacuums. I know guys out there that sell Earwax Cleaner 2000s, okay? We're not selling any of that garbage. We are literally teaching you how to trade the markets and how to become wealthy, how to generate wealth, hence the name Wealth Generators. All right. So literally we have a product out there that is amazing. And when you think about that, okay, when you think about it in terms of network marketing, all right, so this company is the first company that I've seen where they attached a network marketing to a brokerage firm. And what that means is you get paid as a customer to refer the company. For those of you guys that don't know what network marketing is simply marketing to the network of people that you know. Okay, so imagine if for every person that you referred to get on Facebook, you got paid for every single person. All right, but Facebook doesn't even make you money. Okay, this actually makes you money. So imagine, okay, you have your smartphone and you're making, let's say 500% returns in 6 months. You're able to take your cell phone out of your pocket and show your friend, hey, look, I just made 5 times my money in 6 months. Are you interested? How simple is that, guys? How simple is it to take $1,000, make $5,000 investment, okay, have the potential to make $5,000 as an investment and literally show people they're going to be interested. And what's even more is you can literally show people how to make money without recruiting anybody. So naturally you start recruiting people. Now let me show you guys what happens when you start referring this business. We have a 5-step program that we get paid on. 5 different ways that we get paid. When I got paid at my job, I got paid one way. It was called terrible. All right. But in this way, we have 5 different ways. Number 1, we have a 3x3 matrix. Okay. We have a 3 and it's free. That means you refer the program to 3 different people. Now the program, there's 2 different packages. You can come in as a member at $125, or you can come in as a business owner at $230 one time. The membership is $99 every month. Okay, I want you to understand that $99 every month, but it's a one-time $230 as a business owner or a one-time $125 as just a member. Okay, you just want to trade stocks. Now, let's say you want to be a business owner. You come in, you refer 3 other members or business owners, doesn't matter. You refer 3 people that want to be able to make money, other money, because they're smart. And now you're bringing the company $300 of revenue every month. So they have no problem with paying you $100 residual monthly commission. So if you're making $100 and your membership costs $99, what does that mean for your membership? It's free, guys. All right. It's free. So now you are able to make money on your money. You have professional day traders teaching you how to make money, and your membership's free. Okay. Guys, the next level of that is when you teach those 3 people how to get their own membership free, which means they're going to refer 3 people. Or let's say you just go out and sponsor 12 people. Okay, you personally enroll 12 people. Now you're bringing the company $1,200 of revenue. They have no problem paying you a $600 monthly residual commission. Guys, this is game changing in the industry. The last company that I seen apply this, they went from 1,000 distributors to over 100,000 within a year because of this compensation plan right there. But that's That's where it stopped in previous companies that I've seen. This company's taking it to the next level, guys. All right. $600 is great, but let's be honest, that doesn't really pay the rent. Okay. What this company has done is they've created the next level in the compensation plan where when you refer, when you have three, they get three, which means you have a total of 39 people in your organization. You now hit the Wealth 1500 Club, which means you make $1,500 residually month after month after month until the next month, guys. All of this income right now I'm talking about is residual income. So you build a team of 39 active distributors, you're making $1,500 residual income for forever. Okay, forever. Guys, think about that. Think about how much money that is. The average person in America only makes about $2,000. Okay, working a full-time job. You're working this part-time, and you're able to make some substantial income. Guys, you're able to rank advance in this company, okay? And when you rank advance, what happens is now you start getting paid 5% on everybody in your downline. 7 levels, and then it turns into infinity. Guys, you imagine that? You're getting paid 5% off every single person. So if you have a power leg, sometimes in some companies, they have a power leg, and you don't get paid on anybody in that power leg, guys, here, you're able to get paid on everybody in your organization, 5%. So if everybody's auto ship is $100 a month, that means you're making $5 on every person in your downline. So when you refer 3, you're really getting paid $115 because you're getting paid $5 for each one. When you have 12, you're really getting paid $660. When you have 39 or 40 people, you're really getting paid $1,500 plus $200, $5 for each person. So you're really making $1,700. Guys, that goes down to infinity once you hit 50,000 in volume. All right. Infinity levels deep. We're going to have some huge checks on just this infinity bonus right here. All right. We have dynamic compression in the company, which means, let's say I sponsor somebody and that somebody sponsors a bunch of people and we grow a big old team, but that person quits. What happens to the money? It compresses up to me. So money is never lost out just because somebody decides to quit the business. Okay. We have prosperity pools, which means that you get to make 1%. Okay. You get to make 1% right at 50,000 in volume, which is about 50 people in your business. Okay. You get to make 1% of the total company revenue shared. Okay. And as you rank up, as you're hitting silver, solid silver, gold and above, you get 1% plus 1% plus 1%. Guys, there's going to be some huge checks in this bonus right here. The last company that I've seen, it started off at about $250. Then it went to $1,000. Then it went to $5,000, then $10,000. You can see how much money that you can make on a residual income with this prosperity pool bonus, guys. All right. Lastly, I'm going to talk about what made this compensation plan game-changing for the industry. This is what made it the most lucrative compensation plan that I've ever seen in my network marketing career. Okay. They have attached a qualified generator bonus. So when you get started, this is why you want to get started on the 230 pack. When you get started, rather than the 130 pack, okay, at 130 pack and 230, it's pretty much $105 difference, right? $100 difference. Okay. So out of that $100 difference, the company pays $90 of it back to the reps. Guys, there's some companies out there where their entire compensation plan is just the coded bonus. That's it. Just a coded bonus. And they don't even pay $90 to $100 to the reps. They pay $50 or $40. Guys, this company pays $90 out of $100 to its reps, okay? And this is how it works. It pays you weekly. It's a weekly bonus. Now, you're only ever building 3 legs in this company. And one of the best things about it is when you sign somebody up, they have a full 30 days to refer their own 3 before they have to pay their membership again. So in some companies, if you refer somebody on the 25th of the month, they only have 5 days to get their 3 people, and then for sure they have to pay their membership again. In this company, there is a sliding 30-day rolling time frame. So it is amazing for somebody who has experience or somebody that doesn't have experience. Guys, somebody can come in here and literally get their business paid for within their first month, and everybody has an equal amount of time to do that. You're only building 3 legs in this company, so you can place people wherever you want under anybody, so you can help them rank advance faster. So not only is it helping you, but it's helping them. Now, here's what's amazing though. When you sponsor people, okay, you're able to make a coded bonus. off of the people that you personally enroll. When you enroll your first, third, and fourth person, that is coded to your upline. Okay, I want you guys to understand this. That is coded to your upline. The first, third, and fourth are coded to your upline. That means that you don't make money. Your upline makes $40 off of them just in this bonus, just in the coded bonus, okay? And when they enroll their first, third, and fourth person, that goes to the upline to infinity levels deep, guys, to infinity levels deep. I know what you guys are thinking. Where's my money? What do I make, right? That's what I was thinking. Okay, this is what you guys make. On your second, fifth, and sixth person that you personally enroll, no matter where you place them, okay, when you personally enroll them, you're now coded to them and their entire downline. So when you enroll your second person, that means you're gonna make $40. When you enroll weekly, guys, this gets paid. Boom. You enroll your fifth person, $40. You enroll your sixth person, $40. Here's what's awesome. When number 2, 5, or 6 enrolls their first, their third, or their fourth, you get paid $40, $40, $40 for every person they enroll on their first, third, and fourth. That's like saying this, guys. If I enroll Jonathan, Jonathan is my second. I'm now coded to Jonathan. Jonathan enrolls Renita. So I made $40 on Jonathan. Jonathan enrolls Renita as his first person. Bam, I make another 40. Jonathan enrolls Tim as his second person. Jonathan makes 40. Jonathan enrolls Jesse as his third person. Bam, I make another $40. You make $40 on everybody's first, third, and fourth that you're coded to infinity levels deep, guys. Infinity levels deep. All right. It doesn't stop there, man. You're going to see some big checks just on that. But when you enroll your seventh, eighth, and ninth person, your personal enrollments, okay, you make $75 now. You're coded $75 on your seventh, $75 on your eighth, $75 on your ninth. And when they enroll their first, third, and fourth person, $75, $75, $75. And when they enroll their first, third, and fourth person, $75, $75, $75. Guys, to infinity levels deep. You're coded to these people infinity levels deep. Lastly, guys, once you get to your 10th person and beyond, so your 10th personal sponsor, so it could be 10, 11, 12, 15, 20, 50, 100. No matter how many people you personally sponsor past your 10th person, you're coded to every single one of them at $90, guys. $90. So when I sign up number 10, 11, and 12, 90. 90. I make, guys, weekly. These checks are paid out weekly. So what is that called? That's now money. I call that bill money because my bills are due now. Guys, you're able to literally, there's going to be some people that make more money in these coded bonuses than they make in their whole check, man. Because when you start sponsoring a lot of people, this is the motivation behind sponsoring a lot of people. See, there's some companies out there, when you sponsor a lot of people, you don't get paid until you have a certain amount of people in your organization. Let's say you have to have 100 people in your organization and you're at number 12. It doesn't pay you to sponsor 13, 14, 15, 16. You get nothing. But in this compensation plan, you're getting paid every single time you're showing somebody how to make money with their own money. Guys, it's an incredible compensation plan. It plays infinity levels deep on the coded bonus. Definitely the most lucrative compensation plan that I've ever seen out there. All right. We literally got guys started right now on the team that within 2 weeks are making thousands in the coded bonus. Within a couple of weeks are making almost $10,000, guys, in this coded bonus. Okay, now is that going to be everybody? No, of course not. These guys are studs, but that's the potential. See, I never had the potential to make $10,000 a week in a coded bonus in addition to all the other ways that we get paid in the compensation plan. Guys, that's why I'm telling you, this is the most lucrative compensation plan that I've ever seen, and it pays weekly. So now you have people motivated. Now people aren't just trying to get their 3. People are trying to get to their 10th person as fast as possible. Why? Because now they're coded at $90. Think about that. You sign up 2 people a week, and each of those 2 people sign up their first person. You made almost $400 a week. You sign up 2, that's $200. They sign up 1 each, that's another $90 that you're getting paid on each person. Guys, incredible, powerful compensation plan. All right. And what's even more, guys, is understand the product is amazing. That's what attracted me. Guys, I'm a 6-figure earner in the industry. I've seen so many different lotions and potions and bug juice and vitamin companies out there that I literally got stuff popping out of my eyeballs, man. I got enough coffee in my trunk and enough energy drinks in my closet to last me a lifetime. All right. But here's what's awesome is this is the first product that I've ever seen that literally pays you to use the product. So now you're going to have people that get started and don't even want to refer this to anybody. They just want to make the returns on their investment. All right. So these guys understand, they have the experience. They have 40 years of experience plus trading professionally in the stock market, bringing in these returns. They have a track record that's longer than Santa Claus Christmas list. All right. This is literally a category creating company. Okay. So they have the most lucrative compensation plan. First company out there to do that. All right. And you have the ability to make money work for you. And I save the best part for last. Guys, understand the T in timing is way more important than the T in talent. You have secretaries at Microsoft that are multi-millionaires now, man, because they're at the right place at the right time. And guess what? This company just pre-launched on the 15th of this month. They are going live, official launch in Las Vegas, one of the biggest launches of the year in April of 2015. Next year, April. I know I'm going to be there. You guys got to decide if you're going to be there. If you're ready to do something different, then you guys got to get on board. You guys got to get with it, because literally, guys, we are exploding this deal. This company pre-launched literally a week ago, and there's already 2,000 distributors in the company already, which makes the company a baby. But within that amount of time, we have 2,000 distributors. This team is exploding. We have one of the top earners, a 7-figure earner on our team that got the breakout award at the pre-launch event. Guys, this is the place to be. This is the team to be on. We are going to own the entire network marketing industry, man, because of what we have. We are literally a category creating company. We have the most lucrative compensation plan. We have both upfront pay and we have a strong residual. Okay. A strong residual. We are literally showing people how to create wealth the good old fashioned way, guys, by getting your money to work for you rather than you work for money. Understand, guys, if you're looking for something different, if you're ready, if you're sick and tired of dealing with the lotions and potions, if you're ready to make a change, you got to do something different. In order to have something different, you got to do something different. If nothing changes, man. And if you keep doing the same thing you've always done, you're going to get what you've always got. So what I got for you guys is something phenomenal. Definitely thank the person that invited you on this webinar. Reach out to them, give them a congratulations, give them a thumbs up, let them know you're ready to run, guys, because this train is not stopping. This is leadership acquisition time. So if you found yourself on this webinar, somebody thinks incredibly, incredibly highly of you, and they think of you as not just a network marketer, they think of you as a leader and somebody that can make great returns on their investment. I understand this isn't for everybody. I understand if it isn't for you, if the timing's not right, you know what? Sometimes it just works that way. Maybe we'll catch you on the next one. But understand, guys, right now, this is the time to get started more than ever before. More than ever before, it's time to take action. More than ever before, it's time to run. So I thank you guys for hopping on this webinar. I appreciate all of your time. If you haven't found me on Facebook, my name is J Will Retire You on Facebook. Feel free to send me a friend request. I'll go ahead and add you. Feel free to message me, ask me any question that you want. Guys, if you want to see this presentation again, go to wealth600.com. Wealth600, the number 600.com. It'll break it all down for you. I appreciate everybody taking time in your day. I wish you guys all the very best. I'll see you all at the top or from the top. This is J Will, and I'm out. Good night.